Hi students, today we will take one more very important question from the trigonometric identities. So observe carefully. So let us take the LHS first and then do some necessary substitutions and try to get the RHS. If you observe, in the LHS we have tan and cot, whereas in the RHS we have sec and cosec. So we should try to change tan and cot in terms of either sec and cosec or cos and sine. Okay, let us begin. In place of tan, I will write sine theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus, in place of cot, it should be cos theta by sine theta, and then plus as it is the next fraction. Cot means cos theta by sine theta. From the denominator 1 minus tan means sine theta by cos theta. So this is the basic substitution. Why we did this substitution? Because we know tan theta is nothing but sine by cos theta. Okay, so cot will be its reciprocal, right? So now we will try to keep the numerator as it is, sine theta by cos theta. Denominator we can take LCM. If you see, it is 1 by 1 and cos by sine, so LCM will be sine theta itself. Now if the denominator is 1 and LCM is sine, so we should make the denominator equal to LCM, so sine theta into sine theta. So we get sine theta minus, for this fraction denominator and LCM is same, so cos theta will remain as it is, plus. So for this one again we will keep the numerator as it is, cos theta by sine theta. So in the denominator, once again, if we take the LCM, so here it is 1 by 1, it is sine by cos, so the LCM is cos theta. So since the LCM is cos theta, here it is only 1, numerator will change as cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, now after this step, you know that the division can be changed to multiplication when you see this divided by this. When you do, like for example, if you have a by b divided by c by d, this will become numerator a by b. This division when you change to multiplication, denominator c by d will become d by c. So the denominator is reciprocal, it will come. Same way here, this division I am going to change. So when we do that, see, sine will remain as it is, sine by cos will remain as it is, this will get the reciprocal, this sine will go with the numerator. So therefore I will write directly, so this denominator sine will go with the numerator of the numerator. So that means it will become sine square theta whole divided by, this cos will come with this numerator, it will become cos theta into bracket sine theta minus cos theta. So I hope you understood this. This division is changed to multiplication and this became reciprocal. This sine will go and mix with this, and this cos will come with this. Okay, the same way second also, see, this cos will go with that numerator, that becomes cos square theta, and then that sine will come with this numerator. So I will write sine theta into bracket cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, so if you observe now, actually we should be taking LCM here, but this denominator and this denominator, if you see, here cos, here sine, but this bracket and this bracket, if you see, sine minus cos, here it is cos minus sine is there. If we try, this can be changed to same thing. Say for example, if you have, let us take an example, suppose if you have b minus a, so can we write b minus a as minus a plus b? Same thing. So I wrote minus a first, b I wrote next. It is somewhat similar. Suppose if I take minus common, So then a will be as it is, this plus will change to minus. See, b minus a can be written as a minus b with negative sign. So same way here, sine minus cos can be written as cos minus sine, but one change will happen, that means minus will come here. So this minus and this plus, when you multiply, this sign is going to change. Say, I will write one more step, sine square theta whole divided by cos theta into bracket sine theta minus cos theta. I'll keep it as it is. So now this sign I'll write later. Just observe, cos square theta whole divided by sine theta. So instead of writing cos minus sine, I will write sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, see, now you have observed here, if it is b minus a, when you want to write it as a minus b, you have to take one minus sign. So here you assume that one minus sign is coming. Already you have a plus sign here. Plus by minus, it is going to change as minus. Okay, so now if you observe the denominators, they are somewhat similar. See, sine minus cos is same, only cos and sine are extra. So when I take LCM, cos theta into sine theta, and then sine minus theta, sine minus cos will come as it is, sine theta minus cos theta will become same. So this is what is your LCM between these two. Now if you observe the denominator and LCM, see, observe the denominator and LCM, only sine theta is extra in the LCM. So therefore you just have to multiply by sine theta in the numerator and denominator. Then this numerator changes to sine cube theta minus. Observe this denominator and this LCM. Here sine theta and then this bracket, sine theta and then this bracket. Cos theta is extra here. So to make this denominator equal to LCM, you have to multiply by cos. So here if you multiply by cos, it will become cos cube theta. Okay, so now if you see, you don't have much to do in the denominator, you have to just keep it as it is, but our numerator is showing something to us. That is, it is looking like a identity. You must have studied a cube minus b cube identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into bracket a square plus b square plus ab. So this identity, if you remember, we have to apply for these two. This is your a cube, this is your b cube. So a cube minus b cube means first a minus b. For us, a minus b is sine minus cos, sine theta minus cos theta. Then next a square, b square, and then ab I have to write. A square means for us sine square, b square means cos square, plus a into b, that means sine theta into cos theta. So this is what is our simplification for sine cube minus cos cube using the a cube minus b cube identity. So now what is the use of this? If you observe, once let us just have a look at the RHS. Our RHS demands 1 plus sec and cosec. So let us see whether we can get that part here. 1 plus sec and cosec. See, I think this can be cancelled with this. Next, sine square plus cos square place, we can write 1, because you know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. It's a fixed identity. So therefore, in the place of sine square plus cos square, I will write 1 plus sine theta cos theta. Sine theta into cos theta whole divided by, what we are left with, cos theta into sine theta. So now if you see the RHS, 1 we have got already. Now sec and cosec we have to create. If we have to create sec and cosec, so this is the denominator common for two numerators, two terms of the numerator. So I will take 1 by this denominator separately cos theta into sin theta, then plus sin theta into cos theta whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. See what I did? This is the common denominator for two terms in the numerator. So once I took 1 by this, then plus this by this. So now this is cancelled. So you are left with 1 by cos, 1 by sin is nothing but, you can separate it, 1 by cos theta, 1 by sin theta plus 1. This is after cancellation, it is plus 1. This is going to be 1 by cos is nothing but sec theta, 1 by sin is nothing but cosec theta, and plus 1. So this is your RHS. If you check, sec cosec plus 1, see here, 1 plus sec cosec, so one and the same. So therefore we have shown LHS is equals to RHS. So I hope you have understood. A very tricky part is this one. Whenever you have the similar denominators, if you want to just alter the terms, the first term in the place of second and second one in the place of first, so you have to use this logic. So make the denominator equal, and then taking LCM becomes very simple, and then whenever necessary use the identity, and it can be showed left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thank you, students.